Welcome to my channel Living Linux. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Lenovo Yoga Tab 13 as an external monitor. So here in front of me I have a Raspberry Pi 4 where I installed PiMiga. So currently on the right hand side we have the USB-C connector for powering the tablet, because also as a screen it needs some power. And on the left hand side we have the micro HDMI connection. So now it's in normal tablet mode. I already connected everything and I'm going to boot the Raspberry Pi 4, and now you can see that it acts as an external monitor. And hopefully it's going to boot properly. Let's see what happens.
Amiga.
So you can hear that the audio is also coming through from the HDMI port. And here we have the workbench for the Amiga. And currently we are in 16:10 mode. So that means that the screen is zoomed to the full resolution of the tablet, but since this is 16:9, you can also press here and then it switches to 16:9. I'm not sure if you can see this, hopefully there it's visible that it's 16:9, but then you get some small black bars on top and below, and you can also change the brightness of the screen. Oops. And on the right hand side at the bottom there is the battery indicator, and with the volume rocker you can change the volume. So this was just a quick test to see how we can use the Lenovo Yoga Tab 13 as an external monitor. If you want to know more about the PiMiga for the Raspberry Pi 4, then just let me know in the comments and I can do some more videos about that. But that's all for now. This was just a quick test, and I hope to see you again in my next video.